Okay, we are checking out the Flash Coaster here at Aqua Show. The new for 2025 Mack launching coaster. Here we go. Oh man, starts with that reverse. Oh! Into the twist and this almost vertical, might be vertical drop. Oh! Here we go, banking one way, upside down. Oh my gosh, and then these heart lines, one after the other. The hang time is crazy. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking it. If you want to see more coaster content just like this, consider subscribing. My name is John. You've been watching Mid-Course Discourse, and I'll see you next time.